What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys don't already know, I'm the grooming artist. Today my video will be about the importance of a consultation. Today we have Cuzzo.
Hey.
This is a longtime client. We started her locks off with lock extensions. She comes to me from New York. Albany, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Comes to me from New York. If you guys don't know, I have moved from St. Louis to Chicago to Las Vegas, and I'm here permanently now. Even though she's been coming to me for a very long time, I still do a consultation on all of my clients. I can't believe this. Lift up. It's been since 2019, right?
Yeah, since we started.
Yeah. Cuz had a hater. Unfortunately, they got into a little scuffle, and some of her locks were pulled out from the root, if you guys can see that. I'm just glad that ain't nothing happened to the front. That could have been ugly real quick, and you would have been like, look, fuck it, ball fade. Or high top locks, you know what I mean? This is the exact length of her hair without the extension. I know a lot of people will ask, like, how do you know? I don't know, I just know. I just feel it and I know. It's like a different texture, but not really, you know what I mean? I'm so excited that this hair has grown without any damage to your follicles, you know what I mean? Sometimes when people get their hair ripped out, they don't come back from that, you know what I mean? So on a new client, I would ask, like, do you have any allergies to any hair products? Has any of your allergies changed, or?
Oh, no.
No? Okay. And I already asked her, like, what are we doing? We doing a repair, we doing the plaits, we doing a haircut too?
Oh, yeah.
In the cut? Okay. And that's really it. She gets like a taper and a lineup, and only in the front. Like the lineup in the back is just what we do, but it's not like tapered at all. So I'm just gonna be reattaching those locks, and I don't know if y'all can see, some of the locks are kind of like stuck together. I'm gonna do a deep cleansing wash and then condition, and then we're gonna plait it up and line her up.